Hi there, I'm just going to show you how to change the battery in your Nissan Leaf key fob. You're going to need obviously a key, a flathead screwdriver and a CR2025 battery, which is available obviously over the internet or from a newsagent or the supermarket. Step one is we need to remove the key blade from your key fob. If you look on the back of your key, there's a little switch. If you pull that upwards, you can then slide the physical key out, which of course you can use to get in the car when you've got a flat battery in your key. And if you look on the at the top of there, there's a little place where you can insert your screwdriver, give it a little twist, and then the key pops apart in two halves, thus. Then use your screwdriver to quickly pop out the battery. Take your new battery, which goes in flat side down with the writing on. That's the positive side, goes facing down in there like that. Put the two halves back together again. Reinsert the key blade, and there you are, all done. Thanks for watching.